Hi guys, today we're unboxing the S10m solar camera, and this is the box you should get when you order it. And on this side, you should see that's how the camera looks like. And on this side, you should see the labels. And on the labels, you should see the model number and also the camera version. And this QR code is for the app, and also this QR code should be exact the same as the camera itself. And also right here is our website and also our contact information, just in case you have any questions. And this side, here's all the functions of the camera, and it's motion detection, two-way audio, and also waterproof and so on. And here is the application scenarios. As you can see, these are all the scenarios. Now let's open it and see what's inside. Alright, so here is the connection guide and also the installation guide. And here are the two stickers for installations. And here is the solar panel with the cables on it. And here is a strap for the camera, just in case if you need to tie it on a trunk or something. Alright, so here is the extension cable for the solar panel, and this one is the waterproof copper. And then here is other strap. So here's the screwdriver, here is the stands for the solar panel, the charging cable, and here are the screws. And these are the screws for the camera itself. And here is the scissors for the SIM card. And now we'll have the bracket to hold the camera. It's like this. It's the camera itself. And that's everything in the box.